Good morning. Current situation. We are out here in Lake Havasu. We're getting ready for the race out here and we're out shock tuning. There is a whole stable of Broncos out here. Everybody's getting tuned, everybody's getting dialed by Fox. We got the whole body off of this thing. We got everything taken apart. We're getting this thing dialed. So how is it?
She's good. Perfect.
So the whole time, you're going to be in my radio being like, well, that's not what Lauren did. Lauren went faster here.
Wait, that wasn't a good idea for you.
Right. Lauren wouldn't have done that.